Hey everybody, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can find all your favorite photos, videos, and reels and others on Facebook. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching this video, and also put your likes. So let us get started with you. And open up the Facebook app on your device. And then you'll need to go to the menu section at the bottom. Is in the bottom right corner. Then in the top right corner, click on the gear. And here, when you go to Settings, scroll down until you see this section here, which is called your activity. And this is where you'll need to go to your activity log. And then click your Facebook activity. And this will take you to a list of things that you've liked on the Facebook app. For example, if you expand comments and reactions, you'll be able to go to the comments and also the likes that you've left on Facebook. You will also be able to see the posts that you have left likes on and so on. Friends, this is the way you can find all the reels, photos, and videos you like on the Facebook app. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.